the solution to this example. So it's in a table format. Let's get it into Power Query. So we have that. So what we now need is we'd like these dates to appear on their own lines. So it's either transpose or unpivot. A transpose would just move all of these to the top and all of these over here, so it doesn't achieve much, or it doesn't achieve what we want. So it looks like what we'd rather do is I'm going to highlight these three, and I'm then going to say we want to unpivot it. So that's fine. So what we have here is we've now got the holiday name, we've got the year. So just to make my life a bit easier, I'll just put in the description, and maybe here's a date. Now what we said was I'd like to see this first, and perhaps we'd like to see it in order. So at the moment it's going all the New Year's days, but I'm going to rather say let's sort it A to Z. So now you'll see we've got the 1st of January, 21st of March, etc. There's the holiday name. The year, it's a bit of duplicate information. We'll have it here, so I'm actually I can now remove it. And just scrolling down, so that seems to have given us all the information we need. So we can now load that back into Excel and use it for any lookups that require them.